products. Try to get them as close as natural as possible. So over here we have toothpaste, different type of toothpaste. We have neem, okay, we have mist wax, we have charcoal black seed, clove, and these toothpaste does not contain fluoride, because we know fluoride is poison. Most of these soaps are made here in Jamaica. They're made with natural ingredients like garlic soap, papaya, spirulina soap. And they're made with coconut oil, shea butter, and castor oil. We have skin tightening soap for skin that is wrinkly to prevent premature wrinkle. We sell castor oil, Jamaican black gold. We also have coconut oil cold press. We have honey, shea butter from Africa, African black soap. We sell incense, and we also sell medicines like over here. Herbal medicines over here. Cleanser, detox your body. We also have medicine for prostate and all-purpose medicine. Anything with I don't have, I'll try to get it for the person. For people who don't like to go to the pharmacy, they come to me. All right? So natural is the way to go, it's the best way all the time.